Hey everyone, this is Eben from Kramer Mazda doing a quick walk around video of a very special CX-5 we have here in stock. That is the 2021 Mazda CX-5 Kuro Edition. It's very unique. It's the blacked out version. We've got two color options in here. One's the polymetal gray. This is the other one, which is full black. Let me show you the car. Start from the front. Got the LED lighting. Very unique grille. Blacked out grille. Looks very sharp. Taking it to the side. 19-inch all-season tires with black gloss rims. Blacked out side mirror. Let me show you the interior. Got your keyless entry feature. It's just push button. Unlocks the car. Very unique interior as well. Got the red stitching going throughout. Got the red stitching on the steering wheel as well. And here's the red garnet interior. Looks very sharp. Comes with sunroof. Power adjustable seats for your driver and passenger with memory seating. Dual climate control with heated seats and heated steering wheel. With your safety options like your radar cruise control. You got your lane keep assist, blind spot assist, backup camera, rear cross traffic alert, forward collision alert. Now let me show you the second row quickly. Lots of room at the back with the vent for second row passengers. Always drop the second row seats down for more cargo. Comes down 40, 20, 40%. Looks very sharp. Power adjustable for trunk as well. So just a push button. And you get all that room at the back. To drop the seats down, all you're doing is pulling these levers one by one, and it drops the seats down for you. And it locks it up. The CX-5 is now available here at Kramer Mazda. If you have any questions or if you wish to see this car in person, feel free to reach me at 403-930-6125. Eben from Kramer Mazda. Thank you.